Good morning, students. Now, today in this class, we discuss about neutralization reaction. Okay, students, all of you, to welcome to physics class. In this class today, we discuss neutralization reaction. What is neutralization reaction? The neutralization reaction is an acid-base reaction. The acid-base reaction is also called neutralization reaction. What is neutralization reaction? The reaction between acid and base to give salt and water. This reaction is called neutralization reaction. This reaction, it can be written as base plus acid is gives rise to salt plus water. Generally, this reaction is called neutralization reaction. Okay, students, what is the neutralization reaction? The reaction between acid and a base to give salt and water is known as neutralization reaction. Neutralization reaction. Okay, students, what is the neutralization reaction? It is an important question asked 2 marks. What is neutralization reaction and to give examples. Okay, students, what is the neutralization reaction? The reaction between an acid and a base. An acid and a base to give salt and water. Salt and water is known as neutralization reaction. This reaction, it can be written as base plus acid. It gives rise to salt plus plus water. Salt plus water. Okay, students, give the example of neutralization reaction. Sodium hydroxide NaOH plus HCl is gives rise to sodium chloride NaCl plus H2O water. H2O water. Here sodium hydroxide is react with hydrochloric acid to give salt, sodium chloride and water. And to mention the physical states of reactants and products. The substances which are involving in a chemical reaction, the substances are called reactants. Due to takes place any chemical reaction to formation, the new substances are called products. So in this neutralization reaction, what are the substances that react together? Sodium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid. So that's why these are called reactants. What are the formation new products? Salt and water. These are called products. To mention their physical states of reactants and products. What is the physical state of sodium hydroxide? Is aqueous solution, AQ. And what is the physical state of HCl? Aqueous solution, AQ. And what is that? The physical state of sodium chloride is aqueous, AQ. And water, its physical state is liquid, L. Okay, students, we understand this neutralization reaction. We conduct a small experiment. Okay, students, in this experiment, we take a dry test tube. We take a dry test tube. Okay, students. First one, we take a dry test tube. Okay, this is a dry test tube. Dry test tube. In this dry test tube, we take some sodium hydroxide solution. Dilute sodium hydroxide solution is taken in test tube. This is dilute sodium hydroxide solution. Sodium hydroxide solution. Just now, to add 1 or 2 drops of phenolphthalein indicators. Phenolphthalein. Just add 1 or 2 drops of phenolphthalein indicator. What do you notice? Students, what do you observe when they are adding 1 or 2 drops of phenolphthalein indicator to sodium hydroxide solution? We observe that the solution of sodium hydroxide is turned to, that is changed into pink color. change into pink color. That is the phenolphthalein indicator. It's indicate pink color in sodium hydroxide solution. What is the nature of sodium hydroxide? Its nature is basic solution, basic nature. Next one, we add dilute hydrochloric acid drop by drop to sodium hydroxide solution. What do you notice? We notice that the pink color of solution is changed into that colorless dilute HCl. The pink color change into colorless. That is, the pink color is disappear when to adding dilute hydrochloric acid solution. What is the reason the pink color change into colorless? Because of the effect of base sodium hydroxide is neutralized by an acid. So that's why this pink color is disappear. Next one, again to add 1 or 2 drops of sodium hydroxide solution. Sodium hydroxide solution is add again to this solution. What do you observe when the adding of sodium hydroxide solution? You notice that again, that is reappearance of pink color. Reappearance of pink color. Why? Because of this solution is becomes to a basic nature. So that's here the effect of base is neutralized by acid. So this reaction is takes place between acid and base. It gives salt and water. Such reaction is called neutralization reaction. Okay, students, we conduct a small experiment. Okay, students, first one we take the compound of sodium hydroxide pellets. Okay, students, sodium hydroxide pellets. This sodium hydroxide pellets, the sodium hydroxide pellets, we take one. Okay, students, we take one pellets of sodium hydroxide. This sodium hydroxide pellet is dissolving in water. Okay, students, we take some quantity of water in beaker and to add one pellet of sodium hydroxide. And stirred with glass rod. Okay, students, the sodium hydroxide pellets is completely dissolved in water. Okay, students, what is to form? To form sodium hydroxide solution. Okay, students, now take sodium hydroxide solution in test tube. Okay, students, what is the solution is taken in test tube? Sodium hydroxide solution. What is the physical appearance of sodium hydroxide? It is a colorless. The colorless of sodium hydroxide solution is taken test tube. Okay, students, look at this is phenolphthalein indicator. Just add 1 or 2 drops phenolphthalein indicator to sodium hydroxide solution. Okay, students, you notice that clearly the sodium hydroxide solution is turned to pink color. So, what is the reason the phenolphthalein indicator is indicate pink color in base solution? So, this is base solution sodium hydroxide. Okay, students, this is dilute hydrochloric acid solution. This hydrochloric acid solution is added to sodium hydroxide solution. Okay, students. Because students, you notice that the color of pink solution is changed into colorless. Why? Because of the effect of base is neutralized by an acid. And here the base is react with an acid to form salt and water. Next again, just 1 drop of sodium hydroxide is added to the solution. What do you notice? We notice that the pink color is reappearance. The pink color is reappearance. What is the reason? Because the pink color is reappear because of this solution. Again, it becomes to basic nature. So that's why here the reaction is takes place between an acid and base to give salt and water. Such reaction is called neutralization reaction. Okay, students, tomorrow we will continue next class. Thank you.